Arting! Welcome to Arting. We are learning tips and tricks to use oil pastels on a dark surface. When you use oil pastels on a dark surface, your colors are going to be dull and muted. The trick here is to use 2 layers of color. The first layer is going to have to be done in a light color. Let me show you here with the color blue. On the right side, I'm using dark blue oil pastel on black paper. You can tell that the color is kind of muted. On the left side, I'm going to give first a coat of white oil pastel and light blue oil pastel. And on top of it, I'm going to use my dark blue to make it bright and make it pop. Here, you can see the difference that the bottom layer in a light color makes. Let's do the same trick with a yellow oil pastel. I'm going to do a square in just yellow, and as you can tell, it's kind of muted and dull. And then on the left side, I'm going to do the 2 layers. A light color first, in this case it's going to be white, and then yellow on top of that one. You can see how the side with both layers, it's a lot brighter and it pops. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now you have a new trick to use with your oil pastels. There's a playlist here with more projects where you can use your oil pastels if you like doing that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Ciao!